Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to update your email address in the Picsart app quickly and easily. Whether you want to switch to a new email or correct a mistake, this tutorial will guide you through the entire process. First, open the Picsart app on your phone. Next, look at the top left and click on the pen icon. Next, scroll down to find the email field in your profile settings. Here, you can remove your old email and enter the new one that you want to use. Then, after entering your new email, click on the Verify button. Picsart will immediately send a confirmation link to your new email address. Open your email inbox, locate the message from Picsart, and click on the confirmation link to verify your new email. This ensures your account is updated securely and ready for use. Finally, return to the Picsart app to confirm that your email has been successfully changed. Make sure everything is working correctly and that you can access all features without any issues. This simple process helps you keep your account information accurate and up to date.